Wow, this lift's been replaced. 2025. Used to be a Debbie Schindler or some. Oh no. Used to be Otis Hydro. Now it's a Gen3. Yep, Wittur doors. The controller sounds different. Wow, that voice. Never had door hold. Seems to work. I swear it sounds. Oh look, the whole motor room's still lit up. Where's the controller? There.
Or are we going to let you on? 15 minutes.
Where are you going?
Actually, the rule is as long as you get in there, in front of them beforehand. You know what I mean? Just go in. Hey, up here. Cool.
Don't think that says a model on it, unfortunately. Have a look later. Does sound different now, the controller. Oh look, motor room. Well, I've still got the old stuff in there. That's cool. There you go.